Hi there, I'm Bo from Boutique Realty and today I'm at 5 Shelley Street in Redbank Plains. I'm going to take you through a tour of this home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a double car garage. There's security screens throughout. Gorgeous white tiled flooring. As you enter, on the left here is the master bedroom, ceiling fans and air conditioning. Has ensuite shower and walk-in robe. Okay. Now the property has been upgraded for smoke alarms, so to our 2022 compliance. This is your double garage with laundry, and I'm just going to pop here to show you down the side of the house. So it does have a little garden shed, concreted there for your clothesline. Alright, bedroom number 2 on our left. Bedroom number 3. So they've all got ceiling fans and carpeted rooms. Our main bathroom. I love how the tiles are inset there, perfect for your soaps. Toilet at the end of the hall, don't really need to see that. Bedroom number 4. Now here's your open plan living. This is air conditioned as well and overlooked by your kitchen, stainless dishwasher, electric cooking. Okay. And we'll pop out to the backyard. The sun has set for the afternoon. Gorgeous green grass overlooking Spring Mountain Forest Park. So if you have a look over in the background here, beautiful walking tracks in the area. Nice veggie gardens. And then you do have side access here. Now hopefully you've had a look at the photos of the property and you would have seen that there is solar panels on the top of the roof as well. There's a 6 kilowatt system there. The property is currently owner occupied. It's available to move in. 30-day contract would be not a problem at all. The other option is if you were wanting to rent the property out, investors, we would be looking at $440 to $450 a week quite easily. We've got a very strong rental market at the moment, so we'd have no problem popping a clause in there to make sure we can get you a tenant in so that the day after it settles, they're moving in. So if you are interested in the property, we will be selling on market buy. We're taking offers until Saturday at 5 o'clock. So I hope to hear from you soon. My number is 0411 439 437. I'm Bo Miller from Boutique Realty. Talk to you soon.